This is the final look. I took my hair down. I really like how the look came out. It's very soft. Let me know what you guys think down below about the look. I will link all the products down below as well. Also, please let me know how I did on my first ASMR makeup video. Your thoughts are deeply appreciated. And until next time, my friends, be easy.